Hi, I'm Jim Oswald of Sierra Instruments. I'm Tech Support Supervisor, and we're here in Monterey, California this morning. We would just like to fill you in a little bit and give you some guidance on purchasing our meters and our controllers in our scientific line. We have two. We have a SmartTrack 100 and we have a SmartTrack 50. And there's a little difference between the two, and it might be worth it to you to consider some of these differences before you make a purchase. If you're in a laboratory environment, or if you are at a university and you need the greatest flexibility in terms of different gases you're going to use and how to change ranges and cabling and local touchpad and all that, you'd want to go with the SmartTrack 100. SmartTrack 100 comes with 10 pre-programmed gases, either a standard list or ones of your choice. It also has a really nice local touchpad. So you can choose the gas you want. You can command a set point on a controller. You can tell our controller to purge, in other words, go wide open. You can also select the range of your gas. And so it's really flexible for an environment. We do offer an additional flexibility of what we call a ComPod. This is another device that's bolted to the front of the meter and provides really powerful computer control. You can do batch control, you can get totalization of your flow over time, you can control pressure in a vessel, you can also bring pressure inputs into this controller, you can mix gases, you can blend gases, you can do ratio control, and you can set alarms. So this is a very flexible device. Or if you're into more economical flow and you know exactly your application and it's not going to change over time, you can purchase the SmartTrack 50. Very high quality, but a little bit less in terms of features. You'll notice there's no touchpad on the front. So you have to bring in either an analog signal or a computer signal to control this device. Also, you're limited to the single gas you had it calibrated for and that single range. This is available with an aluminum body to save even more money. I have had some university students or professors contact me who had purchased the SmartTrack 50. And it just wasn't quite flexible enough for them. They weren't sure how to cable it. They weren't sure how to change gases. They just needed more flexibility. And we were able to move them into the SmartTrack 100. If you can get by with a single application and a single gas, no local touchpad, you can go with the SmartTrack 50. If you have any questions, please contact us here at sales or tech support at Sierra Instruments.